Hey guys, it's Marlon and I'm here with another unboxing video, and this is a guitar that I bought from Guitar Fetish a few months ago. So anyway, let's get to it. Okay, looks like we've got a Les Paul copy made by Xaviere, and it's got a Floyd Rose Tremolo, which you don't usually see on Les Pauls. So anyway, let me tune it up and let's see how it sounds. This guitar, besides having the Floyd Rose Tremolo system, also has coil splitting capabilities right here. And it also features a Kwikplug system where you can actually switch out pickups without a whole lot of hassle. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate how these pickups sound. I'm going to start with the bridge pickup, go to the middle position, then the neck position. Here's what the bridge pickup sounds like. Here's the middle position. Here's the neck position. Now let's have a little bit of fun with this. As you can see, the Xaviere guitar from Guitar Fetish is a pretty good deal for the amount of money that you pay, and I recommend checking it out. Please hit the like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.